So today we're going to repair an ABS slash plastic box. The repair is the same as most bumpers. So I got Evercoat Maximum epoxy. So this has been used before, so I don't have any tips. So I'm going to mix it myself. I'm going to put enough on the board for the area that I need. Now you need to make sure that you mix this really well. If you don't have the proper tip, the tip looks like this, and there's lines inside that mixes it for you. I don't like using the tip, so I don't. So I'm gonna mix this up really well. So it's a 2-part epoxy. There's numerous different companies that makes the same thing. 3M makes Panel Bond, which is a really good 2-part epoxy, but you need a special gun to spray to mix it. So I use the Evercoat because you can mix it with a caulking gun. Okay, so we're gonna come over here to the box. I'm gonna do a spot that we can see. So right down here, I've already grinded this back. You can see that there's a crack there and it's missing a piece there. Now I did the same thing to the inside. I grinded it down. I used drywall tape, which you can still see the drywall tape. And then I used a 2-part epoxy. Now that that's cured, I'm doing the same thing out here. So you V out your crack, grind it down. The only different step is I'm not going to be using the drywall tape because I don't have a lot of room to build it up. So we're going to make sure you push it in the crack. So there's the one. We'll go to the other side. Now here you can see a bigger one. It's already been grounded out. I didn't get to the back side because you can't. So I'm gonna do it from this side only. And so it's been grounded out. It's missing a piece. Now I'm not being too concerned about how smooth it's going on due to the fact it's going to be sanded, and that's going to have to be built up anyway, so it's going to take a couple coats to get that where it needs to be. Now you can sheet, take some of your paper, help build that edge, and it's going to be right about there. That will help it from falling down. It's kind of an old school way. So that's how you do it. So I'm going to go around and repair, let's see, all my box. You can see that there's spots all along that's been cracked and fixed at one point in time. Now I didn't go the best at feathering it out yet because right now I'm just fixing the crack, and then I'll back sand the 2-part epoxy and the paint before I add some putty and then hydro primer. So that'd be the best way to repair bumpers or a plastic box in this case. Then you'll see there's numerous cracks that I gotta fix on this one. So here we have the 2000 Silverado that I did the plastic repair on. So I didn't show doing the body work just because it's quite easy. Once the two-part epoxy dried, I grinded it down flat, and then I added a little body fill and a little putty, and then I primed it. So these were the spots that were fixed before. As you can see, it's all one piece now. Same with the back here, that was all broke. All one piece. That's basically the way to do plastic repair. It's the same for bumpers. I shouldn't really call it plastic, it's more of a polyurethane. But bumpers are the same way. Any questions, don't be afraid to ask. So this is the finished project of the box repair that I fixed. You'll see there's no more cracks. I end up rocker guarding the bottom just for the fact of rock chips. If you recall, the passenger side was all bad. Now you can see that it's not. And that's how you fix it. And there's the truck.